Yo, what is up, guys? It is Couple Gaming here, and hang on, just gonna. Alright. So, anyways, if you use your PlayStation camera thing, I know a lot of people don't, but some games that come out, they are pretty cool to play with. That, like Killzone, that's pretty cool to play with. And sometimes you're gonna go to calibrate motion controller, and push it, and it's gonna say push the motion button, which is this button, to calibrate it. And sometimes it's really annoying because you keep on mashing it and nothing happens. Well, I know how to fix that. Well, most time all you need to do is unplug your um, camera and then plug it right back in. And as you can see, my controller went off because I wasn't using it. So I'm going to go ahead and calibrate it. And yeah. See that? And yeah. Peace out, guys. Do 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 do.